Hi, this video we're going to show about our EDID simulator, which is we can use to solve the EDID problem. So basically we will highlight two types. This one is the normal version, which is only can support like one internal EDID, and then you can have this button here, which is can copy or simulate the EDID from the displays. Okay, so another one is actually we have like more internal EDIDs by this channel here, so we can just set to different location or different letters or numbers, and we can get like different internal EDID information. And this one is going to be a indicator. So I'm going to show up this normal version first. So here I have my PC here, and then Type C, then I can have the HDMI port. So first step, we can just have this port connect to the this is my USB HDMI cable, which is connect to the display. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have this HDMI cable from display connect to the HDMI simulator first. So we already have it connected, which is to the display. So I'm just going to plug to the HDMI port for my laptop. So you can see the indicator is lighting up. And now we will have the pictures showing up on the display. So it's actually using my extension screen. And we can check out the EDID information, which is actually using the... Okay, so this is the T270LG, which is actually my this monitor EDID information. So basically we can just press this button here. Then we can use the internal EDID. Once you press the button, and we'll just off the indicator will off, and then turns to blue, turns to green. That means we're going to use the internal EDID in this simulator. And then we can check it out. The EDID information here is going to changed. It's changed to the 1080p 60 Hz. This is the internal EDID for this simulator. But if you want to use back, or if you want to copy the EDID from this one, so basically what we need to do, we need to just unplug this the source until it's off display. Then we plug back again. We'll plug it back, and we'll just press and hold this button here, and then we can see this is flashing here. Then we just read up. Okay, so the lights here is showing up as the green lights. Then we just read. Sorry, lights is going to be turned to the blue light. And now we can just go to the setting again on the display on my PC, and the second display, and under advanced settings. Then we can see here we already copied the EDID from the display EDID. Okay, so this is the simple version, which is only can have one internal EDID, and this is the advanced version, which can support like up to 15 internal EDIDs. Okay, next video I will show up the advanced EDID simulator. Thank you.